In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to Google Sheets. This integration can be a game changer for managing your projects, allowing you to seamlessly draw data from Jira and manipulate it within Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking issues, analyzing data trends, or preparing reports, this connection simplifies your workflow by bringing the powerful capabilities of a spreadsheet to your project management tool. Let's dive right into these steps. First, you'll want to have Google Sheets open. This might seem obvious, but it's essential to ensure you're in the right place from the get-go. Once you're in Google Sheets, your next step is to navigate to the top menu bar. Here you'll find an option labeled Extensions. This is your gateway to enhancing functionality within Sheets, allowing you to add a wide variety of tools that expand its capabilities. Hover over Extensions and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add-ons and then Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a treasure trove of applications designed to augment the productivity of your Google tools. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type in Jira Cloud for Sheets. This is the official app you'll need to connect Jira to your Google Sheets, trusted and developed to guarantee seamless integration between the two platforms. Once you've located Jira Cloud for Sheets in the search results, proceed with the installation. Click on it, follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions, and soon it will become part of your Google Sheets environment. With the add-on installed, it's time to link your Jira account. This step is crucial as it establishes the communication channel between Sheets and Jira, allowing data to flow between them seamlessly. After you've connected your Jira account, a few more steps will tailor the experience to fit your needs. You'll want to specify which Jira project you wish to work with. Think of this like setting the scope for the data you want to draw in. It keeps everything relevant and manageable. Next, you'll decide on the filters. Filters are powerful because they let you narrow down the exact issues or data sets you want to import into Google Sheets. This way, you're not overwhelmed with information and can focus on what's most pertinent to your analysis or report. Finally, select the fields you're interested in importing. This could be anything from issue keys, summaries, and statuses to custom fields your organization uses. Choosing the right fields ensures that you have all critical data at your fingertips for whatever task you're undertaking. One of the fantastic features of the Jira Cloud for Google Sheets add-on is the ability to refresh data automatically. This keeps your sheets updated with the latest information from Jira, so your analysis and reports are always current. You can also make use of JQL filters within this setup, offering even greater nuance and control in how you query Jira data. With these steps, you can build sophisticated charts and reports, making it easier than ever to present data and insights. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bridge Jira's project management prowess with Google Sheets' analytical strengths. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to tackle your next project with greater efficiency.